Title: Exploring ChatGPT Technical Deep Dive and Python Integration. Description: Welcome to our educational channel. In this comprehensive video, we're delving deep into the technical aspects of ChatGPT and how you can integrate it into your projects using Python. Whether you're a developer or an AI enthusiast, this content-packed session will provide you with the insights you need. Understanding ChatGPT's architecture. ChatGPT is built on the transformative GPT-3 architecture, combining deep learning and natural language processing to generate human-like text. We'll break down the layers, attention mechanisms, and fine-tuning processes that make ChatGPT a cutting-edge language model. Building the foundation with OpenAI API to harness the power of ChatGPT. We'll explore how to interact with the OpenAI API, learn how to set up API access, structure, requests, and handle responses seamlessly in Python. Python integration: step-by-step dive into practical implementation, as we guide you through the process of integrating ChatGPT into your Python projects. We'll cover how to install required libraries, authenticate API usage, and optimize your code for efficient interactions. Fine-tuning for your needs. Discover the possibilities of fine-tuning ChatGPT for specific tasks. Learn how to adapt the base model to your context, enabling more controlled and targeted conversations. Handling conversations effectively. Explore techniques for managing dynamic conversations using ChatGPT. We'll delve into message chaining, context management, and maintaining coherent interactions over multiple turns. Beyond text: multimodal applications. Extend your understanding of ChatGPT beyond text-only applications. Explore its potential to handle multimodal inputs, such as text and images, and witness the synergy between various data types. Ensuring privacy and security. We understand the importance of data security. Learn about best practices and considerations for integrating ChatGPT, while safeguarding user privacy and sensitive information. Resource optimization and scalability. Efficiency matters. Discover strategies for optimizing resource usage and ensuring scalability when implementing ChatGPT in real-world applications. Join the AI conversation with ChatGPT's capabilities at your fingertips. You'll be equipped to join the AI conversation in various domains, from customer support to creative writing. Explore the multitude of use cases where ChatGPT excels. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a curious learner, this technical deep dive into ChatGPT's integration with Python will empower you to leverage the AI's potential. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more educational content on AI, programming, and technology. Let's elevate our AI interactions together.